You got me down again.
Back in 2001, Jordan released 2 exclusive Jordan 1 silhouettes only for Japan. Now we already got the metallic silver one, and today I'm bringing you the second colorway, which is the Jordan 1 Midnight Navy. Right, so here we go. I have the box. Man, I'm excited to get these shoes out. I just have a lot of high expectations coming off the back of the last one. These have just got to be clean. So what you'll notice is this is the exact same box as the metallic silver one that released earlier this year. So same details coming in this silver and gray color. The paper is exactly the same. So let's break out the shoes. This is the Jordan 1 Midnight Navy. Get an extra pair of laces. That's pretty cool. You know, for some reason I thought they would have added silver laces to go with this. However, looking at it now, I think, yeah, the white laces are probably going to be a really good option. Man, I tell you what, these are just, man, these are so good looking. Right, so I laced this one up so you could have a little look at what it looks like with laces. This one is still without. Laces that you get on the shoe is this navy color, which I think actually goes really well. While everyone out in the US got the Jordan 1 Mocha release, us here in the EU managed to get the Midnight Navy Jordan 1, which I'm not mad at. This is a very clean colorway. The release date was October the 31st, the same release date as the Mochas out in the US. And they of course retail for £140. However, when they inevitably release out in the US, they're going to be $170. I assume we'll just trade releases. We get the Mochas out here in the EU, and you guys out in the US get this Midnight Navy Jordan 1, and I assume that'll probably happen in the next couple weeks. So this Midnight Navy colorway is actually a retro from a Japan exclusive that released back in 2001. It released alongside this metallic silver colorway, and of course you can see these two are very close with a lot of different details about them. During the re-release of both of these pairs, there was 2 different versions. One was a lot more limited and again exclusive to Japan, and essentially it's the exact same shoe, however you get a silver suitcase. So that goes for this colorway and this metallic silver colorway. And of course everywhere else gets the GR version, which is just essentially the shoe in a regular box. So obviously, because the other one comes in a slightly fancier package, and because it's a lot more limited, they're going for triple the price on the resale market. However, I feel like you'll be just fine picking up either one of these. Maybe you guys haven't picked up either one of these shoes. Maybe you're on the market to go and buy one of these 2 different colorways. So which one is better? Well, for starters, both of these colorways have come with really, really nice materials that I think make it feel just a little bit more premium and a little bit more special. The navy panels on this come in a really nice soft feeling suede material. The white color blocking on this comes in a really nice soft feeling white tumbled leather. And I think this navy contrasts with this white so perfectly, and I think it just looks so outstanding when you have it in hand and when you have it on foot. Really really strange, but just the bright white and the navy, I don't know, it just looks so good. You've got this metallic swoosh, which again was something from the original one that released back in 2001. And of course, you're getting plenty of different details on this that reference that it is in fact part of that Japan exclusive pack. For starters, you have this reworked wings logo, which is kind of like this encased plastic piece on the side. The reverse of the tongue has a little patch which has the red Jumpman logo, as well as a 2001 print and a 2020 print, just showing off the original release and of course the retro. And like other Japan exclusive sneakers that Nike has released this year, you are getting the CO.JP branding on the insole. The tongue on this one is a little bit different than what you may have seen on other Jordan 1s. It's a little bit thinner, a little bit less padding. It does have that really nice soft tumbled leather on it, so it feels really quality. It has an embroidered Nike Air logo at the top. Something about it having less padding that feels just a little bit more premium, if that makes sense. But other than that, the general construction is what you're pretty familiar with a Jordan 1 sneaker. You've got the white midsole, you have the regular Jordan 1 traction pattern, and that comes in this navy color. You're definitely not straying far away from a regular Jordan 1. However, the colorway is significant and just super clean in my opinion. So that just makes you think, which one would you pick? Now I believe that this metallic silver one is pretty different. It's just something you don't often see with the gray, the really nice light gray, of course the metallic. And this one kind of seems a little bit more familiar because of the color blocking, just, you know, the navy blue panels and of course the white. But I really just love both of these shoes. They're both really incredible versions of the Jordan 1 silhouette, and I think you really cannot go wrong with either colorway. The sizing and comfort of this falls directly in line with any other Jordan 1 sneaker. This fits me true to size, so that is my recommendation. And as far as comfort, I mean, there's nothing much that's different. Of course, the slightly less padded tongue you may feel a little bit, but really, I mean, it's hardly anything. All in all, I'm super happy with this colorway, and I think if you're on the market for either one of these shoes, or just a Jordan 1 in general, this is a really solid option. And of course, when this does release out in the US, I definitely recommend taking a look at this one because it is something pretty special. That pretty much wraps it up for the Jordan 1 Midnight Navy. I think it's super clean. Let me know which one you would take down in the comment section below. And of course, thank you so much for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you all in the next one, but until then.